Namaste to one and all. This is Madhuri at Science at Your Tips. Welcome back to another session of mole concept. So here we are going to find out number of molecules present in 1 liter of air. So we know already that 1 liter of air will contain 21% by volume. 21% of oxygen will be present in 1 liter of air. Not if you take some amount of air, in that 21% oxygen will be present. So in that, how many number of oxygen molecules are present if you are taking 1 liter of air, right? So let us take here, if you are having 100 liters of air, 100 liters of air, in that how many liters of oxygen will be present? 21 liters of oxygen will be present. 21 liters of oxygen will be present in 100 liters of air. That is the meaning from this 21% by volume, right? So if you are taking 1 liter, because in question they have given 1 liter only. So if you are taking 1 liter, in that how many liters of oxygen will be there? 21 divided by 100. That is 0.21 liters of oxygen will be present here in that 1 liter of air. So in that, how many number of oxygen molecules are present, we have to find out. So we know already that 1 mole of oxygen is nothing but it will occupy some volume that is known as gram molar volume, and the value of this gram molar volume is 22,400 milliliters, or we can write 22.4 liters volume, because in the question also I have mentioned about liters, so let us take in the form of liters. So 22.4 liters of volume is occupied by 1 mole of oxygen. It will contain some number of molecules. So the molecules is nothing but Avogadro number, and Avogadro number is a constant value, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23. 1 mole of oxygen will occupy 22.4 liters of volume, and that oxygen will contain 6.023 into 10 power 23 oxygen molecules. Now we have to find out 0.21 liters of oxygen will contain how many number of oxygen molecules, right? So 22.4 liters of oxygen is containing 6.023 into 10 power 23. But here 0.21 liters will contain how many number of oxygen molecules? So what we have to do here, 0.21 divided by 22.4 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. So if you do this division, we are going to get 0.009375, and this we have to multiply with 6.023 into 10 power 23. Then what we are going to get here? Here if you multiply these two numbers, we are going to get the value of 0.0565 into 10 power 23. If you want to write this in this form, 5.65, if you want to write, what we have to do here, as we are bringing the point after 2 digits, we are bringing the point, so that is why 10 powers will decrease. So what we can write here, 2 digits we are decreasing, so 2 digits we have means 2 digits, after 2 digits we are bringing the point, so this power also should decrease up to 2, means 10 power 23 into 10 power minus 2. So we are going to get the answer as 5.65 into 10 power 21. That is the number of molecules of oxygen present in 1 liter of air. First of all, we have calculated like 100 liters of air will contain 21 liters of oxygen. That means 1 liter will contain 0.21 liters of oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen means nothing but 22.4 liters. That will contain Avogadro number. And that Avogadro number, based on that we have calculated for 0.21 liters how many number of oxygen molecules are there, right? So like this you have to do the calculation. Thank you.